Physicists love to use chalkboards. It's an old tradition. I think essentially everybody that teaches graduate classes here uses the chalkboard during the lecture. It forces you to go slow, you make mistakes, the students see you sweat, they see you work, they see your thought process. They know that they're not the only ones that struggle with hard concepts. See, lots of mistakes. And they see how you work your way through it and how you get to the answer. It's this kind of organic way of working because you can erase things but not perfectly. When you erase something, you leave a smudge behind. Maybe you can even read what was written there, and sometimes that comes in handy. So scientists, at least in my field, almost always write papers with collaborators and almost always do their work with collaborators. And a lot of that collaboration, the most important part and the most fruitful part, is often face-to-face, standing in front of a chalkboard, working out some kind of idea to see if it makes sense or not. So the Center for Cosmology and Particle Physics, it's full of theoretical physicists and theoretical astrophysicists, and that kind of collaboration can happen at any moment. So for us, it's really important and really valuable to have chalkboards within easy reach of wherever you happen to be when you have an idea. And so we designed the space to have chalkboards in as many places as possible. It's just a great collaborative tool. There's no technology that can compete with that in the world, as far as I know right now. Maybe there will be eventually, but for now, chalk and rock is the state of the art when it comes to doing mathematical calculations or theoretical physics.